Chapter 16. Maps and Sketches. Directions. Let's know. Generally, we indicate the location of a person, place or thing by using words such as right, left, front, behind, etc. But these words are not always effective, as your left will be right to other person coming towards you.
To avoid such confusion, we use 4 main directions. These are east, west, north, and south. The rising and setting of sun helps us to know the directions. If you stand facing the rising sun, you are facing the east. West is at your back, left of you is north, and right of you is south. There are 4 sub-directions also. They are northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest.
Compass is an instrument that helps us to know directions by its needle. The needle always points
to the north.
Sketches and landmarks. A rough drawing of a place without using any scale or measurement is called a sketch. Generally, it has important landmarks. A landmark is a building or a place which can be seen and recognized easily. It may be a hospital, school, or a park, etc. It helps us to know our location. Example: post office
is in the south
direction. Map. A map is the drawing of a place made after actual measurements. It is always drawn on a flat surface. The top of the map always shows north. A map can be of a country, city, town, or the entire world. A book of maps is called an atlas. You must know. The art of drawing maps is called cartography. The person who draws maps is called a cartographer. Uses of maps. Maps are very useful to us. They help us to find out the location of a place easily. They save our time in locating and reaching our target place. Maps are useful for pilots and sailors. They can keep track of their position in the air and in the water by looking at maps. Symbols in a map. While drawing a map, we use certain pictures and signs to represent different features. They are called symbols. Symbols are used to show various structures such as railway lines, rivers, temples, power stations, airports, etc. On a map. Colors. On a map, colors used on a map are also a source of information. A. Blue line, colors, water bodies, such as lakes, rivers, oceans, etc. B. Yellow color, land, agricultural land. C. Brown color, mountains, deserts, etc. D. Green color, parks, forest, orchards, etc. E. Red color, major highways. We will never lose our way if we learn to read directions and maps well. Key terms. Map, representation of a place on a flat surface. Sketch, rough drawing of a place without a scale. Symbols, pictures and signs, used on a map to represent different features. Compass, instrument used to find directions. Wrap up, key points of the chapter. If we stand facing the rising sun, we are facing east. The top of a map always shows north. The needle of a compass always points to the north. Colors used on a map are also a source of information.